So in this video, we'll see how we can rectify spelling mistakes and typos using Python. So for this, we'll need a Python library known as autocorrect. So first, let's install that library. So we'll use pip install autocorrect. So in my case, it's already installed, but in your case it will install in your system, and after that you can refresh your browser and you can use this. So from this autocorrect library we need to import a method which we'll use to correct our spelling mistakes. So that method is called speller. So we'll import speller from autocorrect. Now once we do that, we can create an instance of that method. So we'll name our instance as spell. You can name it anything. So spell is equal to speller, and here we'll specify the language as English. So we have created an instance, and now we can use this to rectify any typo or spelling mistake. For example, let's say I made a typo of bridge like this, so it will rectify. So anything which is a standard English word, it can rectify it, but be aware that the speller method can't rectify country names and stuff like that. So let's say we have a data set which has few typos. So we can rectify those typos using this. So for that, we'll use the lambda method. So there are few typos in the product column. And now we'll use the lambda method to rectify all those issues. So we are going to use the apply method, and inside of this, we'll use the lambda. Now what is this? Now lambda is an anonymous function, and what we are going to do is we're going to use the same instance, this method, on each of the entries of product column. So it will be applied on water cooler, refrigerator, all of them one by one. So for that, we'll apply the spell method on X. What is X? In place of this X, these entries of the product column will come here. So now let's see. So now when we have a look at our data, we see that the spelling mistakes have been rectified.